Assalamualaikum. You have already learned hadha, which means this. You use it for all masculine singular noun like hadha baitun. This is a house. Now we learn hadhihi. It is also means this, but it is used exclusively for feminine singular nouns. Identify feminine nouns in Arabic. So be sure to watch this lesson all the way through. Oh, and in the final segment, you will be able to practice and take a quiz to test your understanding. Before we dive into feminine noun, let's read the Arabic text on your screen together. Ready? Let's get started. هذا ابن حامد وهذه بنت ياسر. ابن حامد جالس وبنت ياسر واقفة. من هذه؟ هذه أخت المهندس. أهي أيضا مهندسة؟ لا، هي طبيبة. سيارة من هذه؟ هذه سيارة المدير. ما هذه؟ لمن هذه؟ هذه لخالد. أدراجة أنس هذه؟ لا، هذه دراجة عمار. هذه جديدة ودراجة أنس قديمة. هذه ساعة علي، هي جميلة جدا. هذه ملعقة وهذه قدر. الملعقة في القدر. هذه بقرة الفلاح. هذا أنف وهذا فم. هذه أذن وهذه عين. هذه يد وهذه رجل. Alright, you have already met basic pronouns for feminine singular. Hiya, which means she, and hadhihi, which means this. Now, let's look at the text on the screen to figure out what makes a noun feminine. First, let's start with the easy ones. Look at the word bintun, which means daughter or girl. It is feminine because it refers to a female. It is the same deal with ukhtun, which means sister. These words are naturally feminine because they refer to people that are biologically female. Next, look at the words muhandisatun, female engineer, and tabibatun, female doctor. What do they have in common? They both end with Tā Marbūṭah. This is the biggest clue for a feminine noun. Let's see another example. سيارة مكواة دراجة ساعة ملعقة. Pop quiz. Pay attention to the text. The text points to the briefcase or bag and asks, "Liman hadhihi?" Why does it use hadhihi? Answer: because the word for bag is haqibatun. It ends with Tā Marbūṭah. Because the noun is feminine, the pronoun must be feminine too, which is hadhihi. The third one, feminine by convention. It is called muannath sama'i, which basically means feminine by hearing. There is no grammatical sign, it's just feminine because that's how Arabs have always used it. You cannot guess these. You just have to learn them from a dictionary or from hearing Arabic native speakers. Kidrun is one example, and another famous one is Shamsun. The last one, members of the body that come in pairs. Look at the text. Udhunun, Ainun, Yadun, Rijlun. All of these are treated as feminine, which is why the text uses hadhihi. I recap. Body parts that come in pairs are usually feminine. Body parts that are single, like anfun and famun, are usually masculine. Summary. A noun in Arabic is feminine if it's naturally female. Examples: ummun, mother; bintun, daughter; and so on. It ends in Tā Marbūṭah. Examples: haqibatun, briefcase; sayyaratun, car; and so on. It's a body part that comes in a pair. Example: ainun, yadun. It's feminine by convention or muannath sama'i, the ones you just have to memorize, like qidrun, shamsun, and so on. Let's do some exercises. Read the text. هذا باب وهذه نافذة. This is a door and this is a window. The question: why are two different words for this used? Which of the following words is masculine? The word kidrun is feminine. Why? Answers. Babun is masculine, so we use hadha, while nafidatun is feminine, so we use hadhihi. The masculine one is qalamun. The word kidrun is feminine by convention. Quiz time. Our examples for feminine by convention are kidrun and shamsun. Can you name any others? Write your answers in the comments below. I will check them. This will be super helpful for other learners to see more examples. That's all for our lesson on the types of feminine nouns. In the next video, we will stay in this chapter, but move on to talk about the nominal sentence or jumlah ismiyah. Thanks for watching. Wassalamu alaikum.